Just. Perusvessa, missä on vitusti kynttilöitä. Olisiko täällä mitään? Mikäs tossa on?
Good timing, Nathaniel. Just the man we're looking for.
Angels and ministers of grace defend us.
I'm Agent Norman Jaden, FBI. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
As God is my witness, I haven't done anything. I'm innocent.
Relax. Nobody's accusing you of anything. We just want to talk. Where do you work, Nathaniel? You have a job?
My sole occupation is praying to the all-merciful Lord for the salvation of humanity.
Why all the crucifixes?
Yeah.
You afraid of something?
The hour is nigh, and the wrath of God shall strike men down. I'm preparing for the end of the world.
Nathaniel,
Yeah.
do you remember where you were last Tuesday at 4:30 p.m.?
Here? I was here. I was praying. All day.
Was there anybody with you?
No. No, I was alone.
What about the voices, Nathaniel? Do you still hear the voices? We know who talks to you, don't we, Nathaniel? Oh, we both know who talks to you.
Don't speak that name.
What does he say to you, Nathaniel?
Blake, what are you doing?
I can't talk about it. You mustn't talk about it.
I've got to do something. Find new prey, doesn't he? He needs
That's
more
enough.
and more.
Leave him alone.
No. No. You mustn't mention him. You'll bring him here.
He told you to go and find that kid in the park. The voice
What a
tormented
shit!
you
Are you
all
out of
night
your mind?
long. You wanted them to stop, didn't you, Nathaniel?
Stop. Stop. That's enough.
So you obeyed them to make them stop. You took that boy with you and you drowned him. Isn't that right?
No! Stop! Stop!
You killed them, didn't you, Nathaniel? Are you gonna confess, you bastard?
You are the Antichrist.
Put down the gun,
I shall
Nathaniel.
dispatch you to your father in hell. He is the son of Satan. He was sent to earth to destroy us. For Christ's sake, shoot!
I shot him.
Minä en ole.
Yep. Looks like you did.
Joo.
Can't say I'll miss him.
Eipä tule tyyppejä ikävä.
Come on, let's go.
Seven-Eleven. Okei. Katsotaan mitä täältä tulee. Jahas.
Mrs. Bowles? Anybody home? Oh, jeez.
En kestä enää. Vauvasta.
Wait a minute. Hello, little cutie. Oh? You looking for your mama?
Justiinsa. Viinapiru vien.
Come on, I have to search the house. Maybe it's not too late.
Mitäs täältä löytyy?
Mrs. Bowles? Mrs. Bowles, are you there?
No niin, nyt auki tää paikka. Uudestaan. Uudestaan.
Oh, shit.
No niin.
Mrs. Bowles?
Herää.
Mrs. Bowles, can you hear me?
Jahas.
Wake up!
Ranteet auki vaan ja... No niin.
I'm gonna call an ambulance.
No, I don't want to go to the hospital, please.
Okay. You got something around here I can dress this wound with?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, don't move. I'll be right back.
Oi vittu.
Let's see. I need this, and this, and this.
Joo.
I'm here for you, Susan. You'll be all right. I'll take care of you. Stay with me, Susan. Susan, do you hear me? Susan, stay with me. Can you hear me? Stay with me. Okay, come on.
No niin, parit laastarit sinne.
There, I done what I can. That should stop the bleeding. Well, luckily the wounds aren't too deep. Hey, how are you feeling? You okay?
My baby. My baby needs me.
Right. You stay there. I'll take care of the baby. Okay?
Do you know what to do?
Yritti tappaa itsensä.
For the baby, I
Saatana.
mean.
I'm a private eye. There's nothing I can't do.
Her name is Emily.
Gotcha. I was a private eye when I walked in here, and now I'm a babysitter. Go figure. Mommy will live for now. Let's see how Junior's doing. Hi there, Emily. So, what seems to be the problem, huh? Oh! Going by the smell, I got a pretty good idea.
Nyt vaipan vaihto.
Okay. How do you do this again? No, brother, that's not the right.
Noin.
Okay,
Uudestaan.
let's start again. There you go, fresh new baby.
No niin.
That should feel better. Right, Emily? Hey, what's the matter? I thought we solved the problem.
Niin nälkä. No nälkä tietenkin.
Of course. Now I know why you're crying, my little peachy poo. Mother Shelby to the rescue. I guess I better warm this thing up.
No niin.
Oh, Emily, are you hungry? Huh? You hold on. I'll just tilt this bottle a little bit so you don't choke.
Noin. Ai jaa.
Oh, good job, Emily. Hmm? You're feeling good now, right? Now, I'm gonna rock you very gently